Hello everyone, welcome to 24 NEET. Today I'll take formula of chapter motion in 2 dimension or projectile motion. This is projectile motion or motion in 2 dimension. Before telling you about that, you should know all these three formula of kinematics. So first is V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, and the third is V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Okay, where V is equal to final velocity, U is equal to initial velocity, A is equal to acceleration, T is equal to time, and S is equal to displacement. Okay, you should have all three formulas on your fingertips. Then there are many other formulas which you should also know. Before that, let's learn what is projectile. Okay, so a body which is in flight through the atmosphere under the effect of gravity, and is not being propelled by any fuel, called projectile, and its motion is called projectile motion. Okay, it is flight through the atmosphere under the effect of gravity alone, and is not being propelled by any other source. Okay, any other fuel. Okay, just like a bullet fired from gun, an arrow released from bow. So the trajectory is parabola. Its trajectory is parabola. In xy plane, projectile G will be considered negative in y direction. If we will talk about y direction, so the G is negative because G is always on bottom side. Okay, in horizontal direction there will be no acceleration, so velocity of horizontal direction is constant. U cos theta is equal to constant. Okay, velocity on x direction or horizontal direction. At the highest position, angle of projectile with the horizontal is 0 degree. Okay, this is horizontal and this is the angle of projectile, so it is 0. Here the horizontal component is horizontal component of velocity Vx is equal to u cos theta, but the velocity is 0 here. Okay, so here u cos theta is equal to v1 cos theta 1 is equal to v2 cos theta 2, means horizontal component is same at every condition and the vertical component will be varies. Okay, In horizontal direction we take u cos theta, which is always constant. In vertical direction we take u sin theta, which is varies, u sin theta. The projectile hit the ground with the same speed with which it was thrown from the ground. Okay, so this is the introduction of projectile, which you should know already. In my next video we will take about the important formulae, just like for time of flight, maximum height, range, etc. So don't miss my next video. Till then, watch my previous videos of formula series and practice more. We will meet in my next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.